A bowl of black beans with some rice, or in a wrap, or in a Buddha bowl is so delicious. Hey guys, I'm Shantae from NaturalVeganMama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Today we're making the only black bean recipe you'll ever need. So let's get started and let's keep it easy. Start with about 2 cups of washed, dry black beans that have been soaked in water overnight. You'll also need about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 cup of yellow, green, and red bell pepper, about a cup of chopped onion, and these are about all of the spices that you'll need. I'll be sure to leave a link to the full recipe in the description box below. So I'm starting by sauteing those onions. I'm going to get them nice and translucent. Go ahead and use any oil of your choosing. And if you're not using oil in your diet, definitely feel free to use water. Water is also a great way to saute onions. And then now I'm going to add my yellow, green, and red bell pepper. And now I'm adding the minced garlic. Go ahead and start to saute all of that around. Spin it around with your fork, whatever tool you decide to use. Get all of those ingredients nice and mixed and combined together. Now when you start to see it cook down like this, it is ready to be added to the beans. I like to do this step first because it adds the flavor. If you add the raw ingredients to the beans with the water and the veggie broth, the flavors do not come out as well. So what you're going to do now is go ahead and add that mixture to your beans. I have enough water in there to cover the beans, and then you'll see I'm also going to add the veggie broth next. So I'm adding about 2 cups of veggie broth to the mixture. So once all of your seasonings are added, you want to give it a nice stir, make sure everything is mixed in together, and then you'll go ahead and put the cover on and you will cook this for about an hour. And then you're all done. So after it's cooked for about an hour, it looks like this. It tastes amazing. What I did is I added a little bit of salsa to the top. It gives some beautiful color and some extra flavor. Knowing how to make a good pot of black beans is a great way to start so many recipes. And if you'd like the full recipe, make sure you check out my blog. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below. I am Shantae from NaturalVeganMama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. And thank you so much for watching.